Introducing the new DBSeT Load Centre, engineered for fast installation and shaped with a refined, modern look. Every line, every curve, every surface is crafted with intention, a sleek finish, beautifully rounded corners, and a form that feels right at home in today's modern spaces. What makes it the most convenient DB out there? Qwik-Plug Technology. Just put, click, and done. A flawless connection with no neutral flying leads. Experience the difference. This new design installs faster, cleaner, and more efficiently than traditional load centers, elevating the way professionals work. The kind of simplicity that saves time, reduces errors, and just feels brilliant. And built into this clean design are the essentials you count on: an integrated lockable handle, quick-release hinges, and secure knockouts, engineered to work quietly in the background while you get the job done. Smart knockouts make cable entry effortless and adaptable, keeping wiring clean and cutting down installation time. The door opens beyond 90 degrees, giving you full, unhindered access for smooth, hassle-free wiring. Removable hinges let you detach and reattach the door with ease, especially useful when you're working in tight or overhead spaces. The quick fit cover plate keeps assembly and maintenance stable, aligned, and secure. Mount the load center with confidence. Level, solid, and ready for top or bottom cable entry, depending on your installation needs. Fill unused gaps cleanly with easy-to-fit fillers, giving every installation a sharp, polished finish. And when it's all set, lock it in place with the integrated lockable handle, designed for dependable protection and peace of mind. Backed by a complete ecosystem of compatible products, it's the most comprehensive range in its class. Schneider Electric's new DBSeT Load Centre. Smart, fast, future-ready, and modern by design, powered by Qwik-Plug Technology.